Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q2 S-line 35 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Navarro blue metallic paintwork, which is really give it that unique appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-line styling with the upgraded front bumper, rear bumper and side profile, as well as this you do get the additional chrome accents such as the side pillars and the Audi badging. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 5 split spoke design stars, alloy wheels, and they do really complement that fantastic metallic blue paintwork. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q2, we find up to 405 litres of boot capacity. To say a large amount for a smaller SUV of this size, this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. As well as this, there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, but there is also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and high quality interior with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. And with this being the S-line model, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional 2-tone sports S-line seats, which are half leather and half cloth and do feature the S logo. Above now we do find a virtual cockpit in which is featured 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also access the navigation as well as telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle status. Now to the centre of the dashboard where we find this impressive MMI screen which is featured the satellite navigation. There's also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this we find the equally impressive climate control which is very easily adjustable. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.